Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be working on the Pro V twin engine. Had to go out and buy a couple new tools to assist in the assembly of this motor engine. So y'all sit back, relax, and check out the video and we'll get busy on it. Alright y'all, start out here what I bought. This is my original push rod length checker. This is good for standard Kohler commands and stuff. Then I went ahead and bought two more. This one goes to 7 inches, I believe it is, and this one goes to 8. This Pro V twin engine here is running the Midwest Super Cub Pro V heads. I've never assembled a engine using these heads before, and apparently the deck height from the top of the deck of the block up to the rockers is a little bit longer. So you can see, you know, quite a bit longer. So I had to go out and buy those two tools. So let's get the camera turned around here, and we'll start checking these lengths on these push rods. So that's all. Also, I had to go out and buy a new dial indicator, or dial caliper, I'm sorry. Mine only does 6 inches, so we had to upgrade to the 8. So I know some of you are going to say, oh, it's Pittsburgh, it's, you know, junk. It's not junk. I've used this brand before. I've got a couple of the 6-inch ones that are dead on accurate. I've checked them against, you know, good ones, and they are just as accurate as the other ones. Just take care of them. Just, you know, don't throw them around. Don't beat them around like you would any other tool or any other, you know, caliper or anything. So, all right, we'll get the camera turned around and get checking these push rod lengths. Alright y'all, I went ahead and set this to a preliminary length. I just turned it out a few turns, and when you put these down in, you want to make sure it's sitting down on your lifter, because you can't get up on the edge of it, you know. So make sure it's lifted up on the lifter there like that, and then make sure your rocker's sitting in the right angle. Make sure your adjuster's backed off a little bit, and then all you got to do, let's twist this down some. Make sure the lock's out of the way so you're not hitting the lock. And as long as the angle is right, that's, you know, that looks like a good play right there, actually. I guess pretty decent, you know. So, yeah. I must be more lucky than I am good. So anyways, just make sure that's, you know, the right angle, and actually I want it just a hair longer, so I'm going to back the pressure off of here just a hair. I just want, like we did in the one before, the video before here. All right, there I got my angle geometry right on my rocker there now where I want it. So snug that down a little bit. That way that'll hold that where it wants to be. And now you can see there's some play in there. So I'm just gonna reach down in there, maybe. These are just hose clamp pliers. I'm going to reach down in here and kind of hold that and then turn that out until it's snug. Maybe. Big fingers. Yep, needs a little bit more. So, alright, you guys see how to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and then we'll come back and we'll measure these things. All right, y'all. I've got that good and snug in there. It's seated down and everything, right where I want it to be. So now I'm gonna pull it out real carefully. Pull that up out, and then we're gonna get the dial in or calipers out and measure the length of this, and we'll subtract about 10 thousandths from it, so we have a little bit of adjustability. So, all right, y'all, got this laid out here now. So let's go end to end. Bring dial caliper in, and a little too tight. I think I flexed it a little bit. So that's the thing about when you get these long ones, you know, sometimes they want to flex a little bit, but it'll be alright. Alright. Alright, looks like 7.278 is the length. Like I said, we'll take 10 thousandths off of that for adjustability of the rockers to get our valve or get our rocker clearance set. So that's all we need. That's how you measure them. These will be custom length made push tubes. So I just got to get them numbers to Twisted V Twin, and he'll get them ordered, and we'll get them in, and we'll continue on assembling with this engine. So hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. All right, y'all. That's it for this video. Hope you learned how to, you know, what it takes to measure for adjustable push tubes. Sorry, not push rods, push tubes. It's not real hard. You got the right tools and everything, but it is a crucial part of building the engine. Those have got to be right length and everything, so you can get your adjustment and everything. These are really strong springs on these, so we're gonna have extra heavy duty push rods or push tubes made to handle that spring pressure. If we would use like a stock style or stock diameter, they wouldn't last. If they would last at all, one rotation of the motor. So appreciate you all stopping by, checking out another video. I know it's been kind of hit and miss here on this engine. Kind of waiting on parts, waiting on me. Hopefully here shortly we're going to have this thing all the way together, minus the intake and carburetor. That's the other thing that we're having trouble getting right now. Part of what we're going to run, the custom one we had made did not turn out like we wanted it to. It's not usable, not on this engine. We may be able to use it on something else, but not this engine. So that's it for that. Flyby. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it, and you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that. Appreciate you all watching. Like I said, check out the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Come on in, hang out, ask questions, comment. Just, come hang out. That's what we do on Sunday evenings. So thank you all for watching. We'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.